Cold open. Ever wondered why pollen makes us sneeze? Here's a quick rundown. That small, powdery substance released by plants is a major culprit, known as pollen. When it enters your nose, it's perceived as a foreign invader by your immune system. Your body's response? Release histamines. These chemicals trigger inflammation in your nasal passages, leading to the all-too-familiar symptoms of sneezing, itching, and a runny nose. It's your body's way of trying to expel the unwelcome guests. This process is more pronounced in people with allergies, as their immune systems are extra vigilant, overreacting to pollen and other harmless substances. So, next time you sneeze, know it's your body putting up a fight against those microscopic intruders. Until next time, stay curious.